Okay, that's southeast, so that home should be that way. Down there's the parking lot where we parked and hiked all the way up. Sun blaring in our face. American flag. Now walking along. Towards the south. There's the south. Blood Mountain's off that way, where we got all the pictures from earlier. Walking along. The fire tower's up there. We thought we were going to get to go to it, but we didn't. Heading towards the west. North Carolina out that way. The west. That's Lake Chattooga, not Lake Nautilus. Lake Nautilus Little, and on the other side. So it's Chattooga or Chattooga. That's where we come from the south. This is the north. North Carolina's that way. Wallace Gap is that way, and funnily, to the left of it, there's a little mountain that has something on top of it. That's Bell Mountain, right beside Wallace Gap. South again. Hiawatha's down there somewhere. Hey, Katie. Okay. Now we have to hike back down to the truck.